dad's surprising us right now. We're gonna go on an adventure and I have no idea where we're going, but we're just going somewhere. Peace. So we're at Big Godwood Canyon. Right now, this is the Big Godwood River. I think it's really cool because there's a little mini waterfall right there. And yeah.
So, catch you later.
Catch you later. I'm in San Jose like Post Malone. So we're at the summit of Guardsman Pass right now, and the temperature is really nice because we're like really high up in the mountain.
I want to be involved in your vlog.
Yeah.
Awesome. You're gonna say something, Dee?
Catch you at the next stop. So we're on the Wasatch County of Guardsman Pass right now, and we're just checking out all the cool scenery, like this mini wild hot dog. And that stuff over there. Let's catch you on the next stop. We're at Park Silly right now. We're at the Park Silly Resort, and we're gonna go inside and eat some lunch. Because the thing I've most recently had is just a sucker, which I haven't had in a long time, and yeah, I'm really excited to eat, so yeah. So we're in the restaurant right now, we're just waiting on our food. I got a drink. Actually I have two drinks. I have a water and a Sprite right now, and I made this with my bracelet because I was bored. And yeah, we're just waiting on our food. Peace. So the food was really good. I still have some French fries left. There's like a ton of French fries, so I'm not gonna eat them. And yeah, that's basically it.
The Moscow meal suck here.
What?
The Moscow meal suck here.
The Moscow Moose. Wait, what? The Moscow Moose.
Sucks here.
So, we just got finished eating. We went to the dessert shop and I got some ice cream. And I got this white chocolate Oreo. And they're really good. I'm really glad that we went to that sweet factory. And the color, and I mean the flavor that I got in the ice cream, I got Oreo and cake batter, and it's really good. So we're done in Park City. We are just headed back to the truck, and whoa. And yeah, Mom's all the way over there, I'm wondering. And yeah, see ya. Yeah.
Yeah.